What's wrong? What did you see? Huh? Huh? Be aware. Huh? Huh? Aware means knowing or realizing something. Where is that light coming from? It's coming from the Crystal Castle. Our aim is to reach the Crystal Castle.
Aim means a goal or target.
Which route should we take? This is the safest route. Let's follow this route. Look, a boat! To reach the Crystal Castle, we have to cross the river. Let's take this boat. Oh no! We're drifting! Drift means to move slowly without control. We're here! We have to cross the bridge.
You cannot cross.
The monster refused to let us cross the bridge.
Refuse means not to accept or agree to something.
Trust me.
Yup.
You defeated the tree monster! Defeat means to beat someone in a battle or game. Let's pause here. Good idea! Pause means to stop for a short time. Now, let's look for the crystal. Where is the crystal? We found it! It's beautiful. This is the crystal from my village. Let's take it back. The monster is coming! Ah! You can't take the crystal! Ah! Oh no! The monster will ruin the castle!
My crystal! Ruin means to destroy or damage something.
Look, the crystal is okay. It's still solid.
My crystal!
Solid means strong and not easy to break. We did it! My village is safe again. The weather is mild. Mild means warm, calm, and pleasant.